On the project finance bootcamp training, it's been an insightful one. It's been very knowledgeable. The instructors have been so pleasant, so patient, which is very key. Majorly because, I have a legal background and, we had the financial modeling. I can say, I can give them like 105% because they were extremely patient. They were willing to go as far back as many times as you needed. So that's a big plus. Then also the legal aspect as well, it was refreshing. For me, it was refreshing. So it was good to go back, take the basics again, and then run with it like we do on a daily basis. And then the finance theoretical part as well, it gave me an insight. So it's useful in your drafting, it's useful in your relationship with people. So it makes your work basically pretty much easier. Yes, I would say that the project finance on a scale of 100 is like it's 100 over 100.